Hey guys, it's Matt from the Valdez Pack. I'm gonna go see Kim real quick. We have a pretty exciting little how-to video on something that Kim has been wanting on the house for a long time. Let's go surprise her. Woo! Kim,
Yes.
what have you been wanting for the front light and the laundry room?
The laundry room.
Oh, not the laundry room, the garage.
The garage.
Yeah.
My motion sensor.
Your motion sensor for the garage. And your timer for the front.
Yay! Christmas in August.
So, this video is just going to be me installing that stuff and brightening up her day. Literally with lights, you know. And not having to, like, flip any switches. Because switches are gross.
To do nothing.
Yes. Alright.
Oh, Lady
Hey,
likes
look,
it.
Look, and there's Lady.
Stop!
Here's Lady. I'm pretty sure she likes it. And Red could care less.
Stop biting it. Do you want that? What do you think? Oh, little.
We are not sponsored by Lutron or Defiant. They
this
were just, or this book, which is the new book by Stephanie Meyer, I think. Midnight Sun.
Yeah.
Woo!
My weekend's starting off real great.
Anyways, let's go light up the world, baby.
You already do.
Oh, thank you. The wild dog's eating. Anyways, before we start, there's a couple things we need to do. We're playing with electricity. Electricity is bad. Open up the circuit breaker. Look over here, den, kitchen lights, laundry, foyer. I think it's this 6. Find it here, 6. Flip. Screwdriver. Wire strippers. Assorted bits and bobs. Alright, let's go. Ooh, it's dark over here. We have a motion sensor for these lights right here. So we know the lights are off. So we could, oh, bright lights. That's much better. Work light, very important. More light. Alright, now we have a bright workspace. Ooh, that lady. Alright, so we have a bright workspace. We can start working on this. This is the light that we need to change. This controls our outside main lamp sort of deal. And then we have a timer here too for the garage light. So we just need to put another timer for this light and then we're good to go. So let's time lapse this, get this whole show going, and let's go. That Screw script was a pain in the butt. Oopsies. Camera just malfunction. Anyway, we got those 2 wires out. And I could probably show you, look how stripped these screws are. Like, who the heck installed that? Ugh. Now we can break this open and bring it out. Whenever you're dealing with electricity, my role is read the instructions. I'm going to do that real quick and then we can get back into this. One of the bad things with these 3-gang switches, they have a lot of wires in there, and I need some wires that are back here. So I'm just removing all of them so then I could just put them all back in. Never have to touch these again, and I'm looking forward to that. That requires a neutral wire, so we're just gonna install that and then continue on our way. let's go ahead, turn on the power, and then test to see if it works. Alright, well, we're gonna test to see if the wiring is good. You should see a light turn on right about there. If it's good, who knows? I have an idea. No, I don't. Idea. No. Idea. No. Idea. Anyways, let's go ahead. We could turn off the breaker and close this guy up. Let's get. Okay, so now all that's left is to go back, turn on the breaker, test out the light. Let's do it. There's our breaker. It's on. Okay, so they work still. That's a pretty great sign. We're gonna see if that works, and I can see that the garage lights are on. We're gonna push this button in. It turns it off, turns it on, and the garage light still works. All my light switches work. Now what we gotta do is program it, and that's it. Anyways, let's go, let's see how it looks right here. So, funny enough, I did end up getting 2 different types of timers. Who knew? This is my motion sensor. But I think right now it's in vacancy mode. I gotta reprogram this because of the whole turning on and off the breaker. This is the one for the garage lights. This is the new one for the light out front, and it's got a little screen that lights up. It's pretty cool. Anyways, I'm gonna go program that, and that's it. Okay, so we got that done. The next step is the garage. So, let's go and do that now, shall we? So we're gonna go ahead and change this guy to the motion sensor, and that'll be it. We just go switch the breaker, get the motion sensor, and just get this all rolling. Alright, so the old one is off. Here is the one that we're going to be installing, the Lutron motion sensor. Here it is. This one doesn't have any of the connectors in the back. You just twist them and they come with the little twisty ties, the twist ties. Pretty simple installation. Gonna flip the breaker and see if it works. Went ahead, flipped the breaker, checked that the light worked. Now I can put all this back in there and get going. There it is, in all of its glory. Motion sensor in the garage. Flip the switch, make sure it works, and there we go, we're done. Well, we got light in the garage. It turns off, it turns on. That's a win in my book. Go in.
Wow.
Go in. Go in.
Oh. It's light in here.
What do you think?
It's so nice.
It worked, guys! Woo! Let's show her the other one.
It is so bright. It's like the sun. Look at the lamps.
And welcome to MTV Cribs. It's a mess. Let's just stare at the back of her head.
We're cropping this out.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Here we are.
Oh my god. Look how, like, when people come over, it's gonna look like super techy, and they're gonna be like, what do we do with this?
That's the most high-tech little switch in the world.
Which one is it?
It's the right one.
This one?
Yeah.
And this one goes to?
The garage.
Okay, and this
They
one?
both should say the same time. They don't. One's faster than the other. Look at this. I set them at the same time.
Something's going on there. Look, as long as I get a certain time with my lights on, I'm good.
Alright, ready?
Alright, yeah. Oh, look, it's on. Oh no. Get out of here.
And there's the light.
Oh. How in the world did we get a visitor already living in there? Freaking out here. Wait, so it's this one?
Yep.
Oh, look, it works.
It does work.
It's got a nice, like, solid click to it.
It
too.
does have a nice sound. It lights up. It's a lot nicer than the other one that we have.
Yeah, you're way too close.
Woo! Wait, we gotta sign off.
Before the battery dies.
Anyways, it's been a wonderful experience. She read her book while I did all the work. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe. And,
We hope this brightens up your day.
aw, bye.